Welcome, Product Hunt. My name is Pierre. I'm the co-founder of Cal.com, the open source scheduling solution. And today we have a very exciting open source drop, which is a linear sync. So Sync Linear.com is a tool that can help you end-to-end sync all of your private linear tickets with your public open source repository. This tool is specifically for anyone who works in open source, whether it's a commercial open source project or just a free open source project with a small private linear team. We really love linear. We're huge fans, but we also love GitHub's open public issues. And you can only do both up until now, where you can now select, like, sync both products back and forth. We worked with the incredible Neat.run team to make this happen. And I'm just going to show you how you can do it. So basically, I've already connected my linear, and I'm just selecting my engineering team. And it will deploy the webhook to get access and sync everything. And last thing, I'm just going to connect my GitHub. It will ask me to sign in to my repo. And ta-da! I am synced. So what does that mean? On the right side, I have my linear, and on the left side, I have my GitHub. So your team may only work in linear. That's perfectly fine. Hello, Product Hunt. And once I create that ticket, it will show up on my GitHub, right? So that's pretty cool already. But what's even more epic is that because I'm authorized with my own sign-in, I can be like, what's up? And it will automatically populate in linear. That's just magic. Now, even if other team members comment on GitHub, it will show up on linear and vice versa. Hey, back. So yeah, it will also sync issues and tickets. We are syncing labels. So if I'm giving this thing a label, make sure to create the same labels you have in GitHub. Yeah, so that's pretty much the sync. What's really cool is that you can also create tickets on GitHub. So this would be a GitHub ticket. And if I create this ticket, it will also show up on my engineering linear. So now we see there is a GitHub ticket. And if I refresh this page, it will actually give it a linear ID. So now if I go in here and search for it, it will pop up on the other side. So that's pretty epic. This only works if each team member is authorized. If someone who's not authorized with Sync Linear creates a ticket on GitHub, you can still sync it back by giving it the label linear, which is really nice, because that way, if a community member who's not part of the linear team creates a ticket, it does not automatically pop up in linear, but an admin, like a core member, can still pull it back into linear and then keep it in sync. So that's kind of like the only way where there's not a complete end-to-end sync, because you don't want to have all the community issues in your linear. We always struggle as an open source maintainer that half of these issues are probably not really worth taking a look at, or maybe duplicates or questions, misuse of issues. So with this tool, you can make sure that your team works on what's most important, while still having everything public for the open source community. I hope you like this. This tool is completely free. If you're a fan of this, go check out synclinear.com. It's built by the team, Cal.com and Neat.run. Both are incredible products. Feel free to join us. Help us contribute if you want to sync more things in the future. Always happy. If you have any issues, open a pull request in the open source repository of Sync Linear. All right. That's it on my end. I hope you like this product. We've been using it for the past week internally, and we're really, really happy how it's everything going. And so, yeah, I hope this makes your life as an open source maintainer / contributor easier. All right. See you on synclinear.com. Ciao.